Are you looking to add some cool gadgets to your survival kit? In this video, we will look at 12 survival gadgets you must see. Links with the prices are in the description. Let's go! Number 1. Adventure Kits. Adventure is tough without a first aid kit. Adventure First Aid Kit, to be more precise. You never know what could happen in a survival situation, and it's not easy to determine how bad an injury could be. But what is possible is to act quick with Adventure First Aid to any kind of injury. This kit contains supplies to treat cuts and scrapes, sprains, insect bites, headaches, muscle aches, as well as allergic reactions. These can provide any kind of medical attention that could get worse with time if not treated as early as possible. Number 2. Tactical Tool. Another useful tool you need on the go is a shovel. Normally, a shovel for the outdoors is going to be of the highest durability to resist the harsh elements of weather and the environment. You can use this one to dig, chop wood, and even make it as an aid for climbing. The 5-Joy Military Folding Shovel is one such tool. With an ergonomic handle, you will find it comfortable while using it. It's also compact, portable, and comes with a rescue knife, bottle opener, fire starter, and other features. Number 3. Magnetic Base Headlamp. This is a hands-free mid-size professional headlamp series that's very versatile and useful if you're stuck and looking for a way out. Let this guide you with the detachable 1000 lumen lights. It can be fixed according to every individual, but what if the situation gets worse in the middle of a storm or a hurricane? Well, that's not a problem either, with dust-resistant features and a storm-proof aluminum body with a battery life of 41 hours. It's not only versatile but also powerful and lasts when you need it most. Number 4. Survival Sleeping Bag. This thing keeps you warm and safe on cold nights when the outside is freezing or wet. A good choice for outdoor lovers at any level. It comes as one of the best survival gear and gadgets you must have and don't want to make the mistake of forgetting to carry along. The sleeping bag is durable, hence, it can withstand most difficult conditions. It also serves other interests like emergency signaling, water breaking, water collecting, and snail milk containers, among many other uses. Even better, the sleeping bag is lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to carry as you move along. Number 5. Portable Water Filter. There is no doubt that water is life. You cannot survive too long without it, and that's why you need a water filter to keep on hand, for when you may need it the most. How about trying out the Survivor Filter Pro, which comes in handy for treating your water, whether you are backpacking, hiking, or mountain climbing. This weighs just a little over half a pound. It features a hollow fiber membrane, and with the included activated carbon, your water is purified for safe consumption. The filter comes with a capacity of 100,000 liters, which means you are going to get access to clean water that will last you for many long journeys. Number 6. Full Face Protection Mask. This mask offers full protection, including eyes, nose, and mouth at a really affordable price. The mask seals your face in such a comfortable way, thanks to its multiple layers. It is made of silicone, which ensures softness, adapting it perfectly to the shape of your head. The straps of the masks are wide and durable. It is very comfy, including material quality superior to any other mask on the market, which makes it a great buy. It's a perfect match for people who like adventures and need quality protection. Number 7. Water Filter Bottle. It can be quite uncomfortable to carry liters of water on your back while hiking or exploring the outdoors. That's why water filtering products can be really useful for these kinds of trips. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter will help you filter up to 1,000 liters of water according to their official website. This water bottle only weighs 54 grams. You can carry it almost everywhere, making it perfect for your next camping trip. In addition, it removes 99% of waterborne bacteria and waterborne protozoan cysts. This means that this product is highly efficient to filter water in the middle of nowhere. Please note that this doesn't remove viruses from water, so pay very close attention to what countries you use it in, and the water supplies in which you fill your bottle, as the water could have some viruses this filter cannot handle. Number 8. Military Compass. This survival compass is 360-degree scale, adjustable, and foldable. This makes it perfect when going out on your next camping adventure, because every one of us can get lost in the middle of nowhere. It is made of high-quality metal material, making it waterproof and shake-proof. converting it into a perfect choice in almost any situation that you can find while outdoors. This gadget is ideal for camping, hiking positioning, or even mapping. Its thermoelastic capsule lets you read the compass with ease, making your camping experience even better and safer. Number 9. Tactical flashlight. With this Phoenix light, you'll get a battery holster and a charging cable. This is a really lightweight yet high-quality night light for your any survival adventures. It has a comfortable size, allowing you to use the light with only one hand, making it a great help for handling a lot of different situations. The battery could take between 3 and 4 hours to fully recharge, so make sure to have it charged up before going on your next adventure. Using the light is very easy. You just have to press the power button and you're good to go. Number 10. Ultimate Survival Knife. This powerful tool is well-rounded and useful in many situations. It categorizes itself as a survival knife due to its fire steel rescue whistle and hammer features, among others. Impressive as it weighs only 388 grams, taking into consideration all the features. This knife was designed by Gerber in collaboration with Bear Grylls. This is a must-have knife if you have a survivor soul. You'll be able to at least cut rope, prepare food, assist some of your teammates in case of a medical emergency, and handle all kinds of situations. In short, you'll be able to handle almost any difficult situation out there while adventuring. Number 11. Pistol Tool. If you're a gun lover, this might become a fast favorite for you. It's specifically designed to give maintenance to any gun. It brings the next level of simplicity and usability for everyday gun maintenance. All the tools included in this gadget are made of premium stainless steel, making it high quality, long-lasting, and effective. It has 20 different tools, making it perfect for fixing, adjusting, and disassembling handguns. In addition, this tool is so lightweight, it can perfectly fit in your pocket, or you can use it whenever you need to while camping in the field or just while improving your shooting capabilities. Number 12. Skeletool. This is a multi-tool device with the most necessary features that you need. What makes this tool different from the others is that every feature was specifically designed to be unique. It's a tool that remains simple yet useful in a survival adventure. The main blade is large and accessible with a one-thumb swipe while in pliers mode. This multi-tool remains between the lightest full-size tools with a weight of just 5 ounces. The heavier tool is 136% heavier than this one's weight, proving this tool is a really good option for daily carry. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.